What happens if you use a grinder to cut another grinder? Before diving into the experiment, two kitchen knives were first pressed together with a hydraulic press. The intense pressure caused them to slice into each other, forming cracks. Now, onto the grinder test. Using a hydraulic press, the two grinder discs were forced against each other. They began wearing each other down rapidly, reducing the size of both discs. But surprisingly, it didn't damage the grinder. Next, grinders with a saw blade was used for the experiment. This time, intense sparks flew immediately. Despite the sparks, the saw blade's shape remained intact and showed no signs of deformation or shrinking. But eventually, the grinder couldn't handle it and flew away.